Hello everyone, welcome to IAS Dashana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is simple tweak brings big leap for electro-optics. A novel nano soft gold liquid crystal hybrid material that is stable to high temperature fluctuations and has increased optical features can facilitate next generation optical technologies, energy efficient electronics and advanced sensors. Nano soft hybrid materials mark an exciting frontier in materials science where the precision of nanotechnology meets the versatility of soft matter. These materials have a significant demand in cutting-edge electro-optical materials. A group of researchers from the Center for Nano and Soft Matter Sciences, Bengaluru, an autonomous institute of the Department of Science and Technology, led by senior scientist Dr. BLV Prasad and PhD scholar Muskan Duggal, with key contributions from Dr. S. Krishna Prasad, Dr. D.S. Shankar Rao, Dr. C.V. Yellamaggat, and Dr. Santosh Katavi have used molecular engineering and minimal processing to bring about dramatic structural and functional transformations resulting in an gold liquid crystal composite with high thermal stability and enhanced optical features. Through molecular engineering and minimal processing, researchers brought about significant structural and functional transformations leading to extraordinary performance in the new material. The work involved the synthesis of a molecule called amine functionalized liquid crystal that acted as a reducing agent, triggering formation of gold nanoparticles and also stabilized them in situ, obviating the need for additional reagents. This smart molecular choice streamlined the synthesis and unlocked significant control over hybrid structure, demonstrating how simple ligand engineering can lead to versatile results in material design. The innovative design drastically enhanced thermal stability, ranges from 27 degrees Celsius for pure LC of 145 degrees Celsius for the hybrid material, and unprecedented optical properties such as emergence of a rare and intriguing optical effect from called Fano-like resonance that holds tremendous potential in advanced light-based technologies. It is used in plasmonic lasers, which are extremely small yet powerful light sources, in ultra-sensitive sensors that can detect tiny amounts of chemicals, pollutants or biological markers, and in specially engineered materials that guide light in precise ways. This helps create high-performance filters and even invisibility cloaks. These breakthroughs are shaping future of optics, nanophotonics and biomedical imaging. The distinctive optical behavior that emerged from simple nano-soft hybrid material prepared by CENS researchers suggests that we may now have a more sensible, accessible and efficient route of achieving effects that once required intricate and expensive systems. The findings by the team published in ACS Applied Nanomaterials highlight the potential of these hybrids to serve as practical platforms for real-world applications, enabling the development of smarter sensors, responsive coatings and next-generation photonic devices with greater ease and scalability. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.